Sing then, man. Sing.
I can't sing.
We're singing in the rain.
What were you singing?
Just
Take
singing
pictures
in the rain. What a glorious feeling. We're happy again.
You're getting lifted. Which way? Are we going right down or turning
Mary.
here? Where?
Yeah,
What?
just take my video.
What am I going to do?
Point it at me.
What do I do?
Point it at me. Then you drop it.
Right, I won't. But I'm not moving because I'll...
Point it at me. At me.
Ah, but which way? Where am I looking?
You're
That way. I'm not used to cameras.
daft, Billy. You've been saying it to me for years.
What am I doing now?
You're taking my picture.
I've got your picture.
Sing
But I don't touch
in the
anything.
rain.
Watch, there's people
sing.
coming down the road, George.
Sing.
Wait, there's people coming down the road, there's a whole family.
Keep on talking and sing.
This is... Mate, I can't do it when I'm crossing the road, for goodness sake. Georgie, I don't think you should do it, because I'm not getting you, because I can't see. There's a whole... Stop it, because you're wasting your screws.
Yes,
2 minutes. Read. This is George enjoying... Oh, sorry. This is George enjoying himself in the rain. I've not got your ball, eh? Right, go. Right, I've still got you. Oh, he's even dancing. George, I think we'll look silly. Here, put it off. I'm getting soaked. I've got enough. This is George in the rain. Yeah, here. How do you stop it? It's getting wet. How do you do?
Mary, point it at me, not that building.
I know, but how does it? No, I'm putting it off.
What's the point of pointing at that building?
Putting it off, and I don't know how to do it.
You're bloody daft as a bush.
I'm not used to camera.